All right, folks, welcome back. So it's another video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Yo, don't forget, subscribe and share. Baby, wait up. All right, it's a must. All right, we're gonna keep this thing growing. Okay. So we at Great Valley. Great Valley bring back some good memories for me and some sad ones because this is where my grandpa. Well, I used to see him more as a father figure, not a grandpa. We call him Dada, and it's my uncle's father. Treat me real good, man. This is where I remember used to come with him over Great Valley over there. To go over there, I remember. And I used to farm with him as a little 5-year-old, 6-year-old boy. I used to follow him all over. He passed away now, so coming back here, kind of just make it sad for me. You feel me? But it's just what it is. I miss him though, but he was a good man. He was a good man. Yeah, he treat me good, treat me like his own child, and he treated a lot of us, man. So I hope you rest in peace, Mas Honor. You were a good man to all of us. But over here, man, was fun. It was fun growing up as a child. And then I used to walk here to school in the morning. But most importantly, I used to remember going with him to his field was over there, not too far. And it's a lot of changes now, though. I remember there was cows all over here and over this side with this farm.
Showing that cabbage.
That's cabbage. That's someone's cabbage patch right there. Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's cabbage. They're going to plant carrots over here. There's cabbage right there. And as you can see, it's a lonely road. So what used to happen back in the days was our school is about a half a mile from here, say a mile from here. So we just passed the last house around there about 10 minutes ago. And we're going to pass, the next house is going to be up another 15 minutes. Guess what? This is where kids meet to fight. Okay? Baby, wait up. So this is where they meet to fight. So after school, we say, okay, wait till we reach a Great Valley. That's where the fighting starts. You know why? Because there's no one around to break it up. So kids used to get loose around here. I remember, man. No, I never fight around here. Nah. I think I was too young at the time, but I did have a couple of scuffles.
You're a lover, not a fighter, babe.
I am a lover, but I did fight a couple of times. But my grandma don't hear this.
She gonna hear it.
Yeah, she ain't gonna hear nothing.
Get him, Gigi.
But I did have a couple of scuffles, but not around here. But yeah, this is where the kids come. As you can see, guys, it's lonely. It's nothing. Look at that road. It's where they come to fight, It's lonely, just you and God around here. And hope to God, God come and put some sense in people. Come around here, there's no one but just you. And the kids be fighting and someone urging you on to fight, just like nowadays with the cell phone and all that. But it was just like that with no cell phone. And sometimes if you have like a cousin jumping, if you have a brother jumping against brother, so it's like 3 against 3, 4 against 4, because nobody's gonna watch their cousin getting beat up or something like that, or sister or brother get beat up. They're gonna jump in. It's just the way it is. You were taught that way. Defend your cousin, defend your brother. So yeah, this is like, as you can see, it's nothing, but just you can hear the birds go chirp chirp. Yeah, and then here comes a car. Maybe it's somebody that I go to school with. I don't know. Sometimes some people face change, some don't change. As you can see, the roads are bad too. We have to slow down to go through. So I'm gonna end the video right around this corner right here. So, you see, it's nothing. Just nothing. It's just look, baby. They burned the damn post on. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Look what some people do. Light and fire, burn the damn post. Look at this shit.
Attached to another one. You see?
Yeah, maybe that's why they did that. This mother muggers. So this is Great Valley. It's a farming community. Most of the cows and donkeys but since lately, this is where Conroy farm, baby. Conroy, he walks down here this morning. He comes here every day. He has a farm here and he goes to farm. Walks all the way down. It goes all the way down, folks. So we're gonna head back to the main road. As you can see, this is a farm. Look at the road. So the water comes down, it destroys it. Look at it right here. Very bad. Very bad. So we're gonna go to the corner right here and let's turn around and then head back. But yeah, if y'all brought in school kids from the 80s, I don't know about the 90s, but the 80s was fight season. And the good thing about me, yes. At that time, we have about probably 6 cousins. But then after I left, we have a lot of, yes, big man. We have a lot of cousins. See, in Jamaica, everybody's so friendly, you know, everybody pass and they say hi. You know, it's friendly and nice, you know. That's the thing with us, man. Don't piss our black asses off, though. We get ninja on your ass in 30 seconds. Or Mach 11 time come out. But other than that, man, it's cool, you know. So look at this. Just one thing I love again about JA. Could be hot. When you get like right here, it's just so cool. My God, so cool. And look at the roads, y'all. It's just, as you can see, I say it's Great Valley. There's nothing much around here, you know.
You hear that?
What? It's a bee.
Sounds like a bunch of them.
They going for the blossom. You
Oh,
scare me.
okay.
So you see all the
It just
blossoms?
sounds like a lot of them.
Yeah, they just eat. They sucking the thing from the blossom, and that's how they do their job. Oh, I said there's a beehive at the house.
Okay, I knew I heard a lot of them. That's why I
Yeah.
asked.
Yeah. There's a
Where is
thing. They up in, you can't see them. They all over. See again? Body pass so friendly and nice.
I know I
Yeah,
heard it.
they're up in there because you see the tree blossoms.
I hear it.
So they're eating. So they spread out. Maybe it's about, you know, it's a couple of them eating it. Yeah.
No, it sounds like a bunch of them, like a hive.
I don't think it's a. If it's a hive, it's more louder than that. But you see, the hive don't come to eat a blossom.
Just be quiet for a minute. Listen.
I'm telling you, baby, I've been through this all my life. I'm telling you. But it's a lot of them up there, though. You know what I'm saying? But a hive would be much louder. Wait, we're not going no further. No, we're gonna turn back here. So I just want to show you Great Valley. This is the ending of Great Valley right here.
Hey, can you get me some mango leaves?
Yeah, baby, there's 10 billions of mango trees at the home. There's one right there. There's a mango tree right here too.
Tomorrow morning.
Look at it. It's a mango tree right here. You
I
see?
know. That's why I thought about it.
Yeah, it's a mango tree right here. What's the one on the side? It looks very similar to you, but it's not. And tell me it's a mango tree too. No, it's not a mango tree. So that's a mango tree. So
Right
this is the, yeah, this is the duck ants nest that we saw earlier. You see that? Let's go like that. It's the same duck ants. Yeah. All right, folks. So we're gonna do some more videos, but I think the next video is gonna be about the dogs at the house, and maybe some other tea leaf stuff. But after that, it's gonna be in Kingston, my home. Yeah, man, Kingston. I love my KGN. You have an agent calling you, baby. Bew. Bow. So, one love, keep it going. And I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? Glamour J is here, and I love y'all. Y'all keep doing what you're doing, and we're going to grow this channel, okay? So, see y'all later. All right, look more.